Oh, there. He put it back up. This is just Brussels sprouts covered in salsa cheese. And none of them have eaten a Brussels sprout yet. I would have thought they. I mean, these things will eat anything. I would have thought with cheese on it they would have eaten them. They're not really omnivorous. They don't. They don't seem to like vegetables.